Welcome to my YouTube channel. Fixing the issue that D&D and Beyond the website has the error problem. The country of the website is not working, and the status update official the maintenance problems. The problem is the game, the error problem, and the website is not working. The checking the DAD, the website is not working, and checking the problems and the status update and don't detecting website the error problems. The official, the team, the reply, the error solution update, and the reason the problem. The team is be working the resolve the service and quick us percentage. Thank